Welcome to Smoor. Smoor is the storehouse for chocolates, desserts, and more. Meet our superheroes that work behind the scenes to make Smoor what it is. Hi, my name is Kancha Nachpal. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer in Smoor. It's been 10 beautiful years that I've been here. I handle marketing in terms of social media and I also work with corporate sales.
Hi, I'm Avijit Ghosh and I'm Director of Operation at Smoor.
My name is Jagdish. I take care of the operations and it's been 4 years I've been part of Smoor.
Hi, myself Rahul. So I'm working with Smoor as Senior Manager Digital Marketing.
Myself Sandeep, I head the business development for Smoor.
Hi, my name is Anita, and then I have been working with Smoor since 2009, and it's been a wonderful journey of 11 years.
Myself Nadeem, I'm heading the facility department at the Smoor.
Hi, it's Pankaj Gupta here. I'm a general manager in production.
Hi, so my name is Nikhil Nebakar. I'm working with Bliss and Smoor as a executive chef.
Hi, my name is Brinda and I handle the retail sales for as a business development manager for Smoor. I handle big clients like Big Basket, Nature's Basket and many other retail customers.
Hi, I am Priyanka and I'm working as a packaging technologist in Smoor.
Hi, I'm Ninad. I'm working as a product manager here at Smoor.
Hi, my name is Adesh Shetty. I'm working with Smoor from past 5 years. I started my journey with Smoor as an assistant manager. Currently, I am taking care of the operations Bangalore and Mumbai.
Hi all, myself Suresh Patro. I head the operations for Smoor brand.
Product-wise, my main role here to upgrade the cakes, pastries, desserts, which I'm onto it.
I take care of the entire digital marketing initiatives for Smoor with regards to increasing the walk-in for the launches or with regards to increasing the revenue online. So I take care of it along with my team. So I have about 7 years of experience in digital marketing. I have worked with Chai Point, Maxter, Matrimony.com to Smoor. It's been 1.5 years, and then it's been very fabulous for me.
I'm going to my production in the morning to see how it works, what is happening, what all it happens, and what I have to complete on the same day, what all tasks I have to complete it. What makes me excited in my job profile is every day there are different tasks, what I have to achieve and what different problems I'm facing it and what I have to get the solutions for those.
So my typical day at work starts at around 10 and so I love looking at our Instagram page first thing in the morning to see what's happening and how we're going about new images, new creatives and all of that. And I love to see what competition is doing so that it just gives you a feel of where you stand. And apart from that, yes, we have a lot of sales, so you have to follow up on payment.
So I start my day at around 9 a.m. So basically it's working with Smoor, it's like a challenge on everyday basis. So we have basically 4 outlets. So I have to choose which outlet I have to go and it based on the task which I have been told to do.
But with Smoor, I've been handling various job roles like handling sales for the retail department, costing of all the products that we make and sell, whatever we have here in terms of the shop ready products and all. And also handle the costing or pricing that we do for all the other customers as well.
So my typical day at work includes like my day starts at 9 o'clock and me getting the new developments coming up, there's new innovative products coming up, so designing a package for that, getting the prototypes done.
My typical day starts by analyzing business trends, business performances, understanding the overall data and identifying loopholes and challenges, then brainstorming it and collaborating with key stakeholders to achieve the most desirable outcome.
Ensure that infrastructure at the Smoor is up and running on a daily basis.
For me, the most exciting part of being in the company is innovation. Like when you're able to bring something new and introduce something new, and I mean, it's very exciting. Also, when you close a deal with a customer, that thrill that it gives you, I don't think anything can match that. I absolutely love the feeling. So I look forward to a lot of good work more at Smoor.
I've been in the system over a decade now. Most exciting part for me to see the brand is growing, and I'm proud to be part of Smoor family.
I've been with the brand for almost 5 years now, and trust me, it's an amazing journey so far. Overall, I have experience in the same industry over a decade, and I must say that Smoor is one of the most young aspiring brand to be associated with.
And my journey started as a restaurant manager in Indiranagar, the same restaurant which I'm standing in right now. And it's been great to grow from a restaurant manager and being an operational head for Smoor.
So I used to work for the Taj for almost 7 years. I worked with them. Now coming from an atmosphere where everything is more rigid and there were rules where you had to work within, so it taught me a sense of direction. But when I came to Smoor, it just opened up my horizon, because there's so much that you can learn every day when you're given the freedom to think like that. So if you talk about my growth journey, I think I would say that it really absolutely gives you opportunity to do something new every day. And there's a lot of, your opinions are listened to, they are worked upon. So that makes you excited to do more and more, for the company and for yourself. So I would say that as much as the company has grown, I myself, within me, my opportunities, my talents, a lot of things have grown with the company itself. So I think it's great that we are allowed to do things out of the box. We are allowed to think differently. We are allowed to voice our opinions, and those things matter. So that's what it is for me, the growth journey.
11 years back, I started my career in Bliss Chocolates, and I'm I just started a new enough retail industry. First, I appointed as service guy in one of the outlet what we opened in the first outlet in Bliss. From there, every year I'm getting on my plate a different. Like after that, I become manager. Then I got a purchase. I came to a purchase. Then I came to the production. So every year or every years I'm getting a different job responsibility, which I've taken as a positive and just trying to make things happen on those.
I'm basically from a 5-star hotel background. So when I joined Smoor, this is also not less than a 5-star brand. The product that we develop over here similar to the 5-star range only. The best part about Smoor is we get a lot of opportunities to learn and develop our skills.
I started as a sales executive in outlet. I was into operations for 6 years. I was, in the service, and then moved to, the outlet manager. And then later in 2015, I joined the sales team. And then it's been 5 years in sales, and it's been really good working with Smoor, and we work as a family.
So at Smoor, at the moment, we are highly focusing on the customized cakes. It's a big market where a lot of customers look forward to create new things for birthdays and anniversaries and different occasions. And it's something very big, and getting to make things what the customer likes are very important, and the quality we look into is very high. So we are into a big time customized cake preparations where we make sure that whatever orders we take from the customers, we deliver on time and the right quality. Few things to talk about is like we recently introduced a Biscoff cheesecake, which is very popular, along with hazelnut tiramisu. which is again getting a lot of popularity among our customers. They're liking it.
And 70%. Whenever I eat that, I just love the bitterness on that cake. I enjoy it a lot.
Belgium chocolate truffle, and I would strongly recommend everyone to try it.
Plum truffle chocolate. I've been loving this chocolate from the day one.
Melting brownie, which I always enjoy the emotion of the chocolate pouring on the brownie and
Belgium chocolate truffle. I highly recommend people to try out Belgium chocolate truffle.
Red velvet cake, and I highly recommend you to try it.
This chocolate 70% and lively almond butterscotch.
But one product which I eagerly wait every year is the Christmas plum cake.
So my favorite dessert in Smoor is intense chocolate. And as far as food is concerned, my favorite dish is pan-seared salmon, which is a unique dish which has lot of colorful ingredients used in the plating. So like salmon, pink, then salad which is colorful red, green, yellow, and the mashed potato which is green mash. That is what I prefer having in Smoor.
Intense 70%. Otherwise, chocolates and macaroons are also my another great favorite along with hot chocolate.
Tiramisu cake, that is my absolute favorite and something to die for.
This is the New York cheesecake.
So some of my favorites at Smoor are our macaroons. I think they are amazing. They make for my perfect cheat meal. I love the rose flavored macaroon. It's simply amazing. And these days we've introduced the Lotus Biscoff cheesecake. I think it's divine. I mean, you can't stop with one spoon at all.